The charts and graphs you create in Excel help make complex information easier to understand. But how do you communicate this visual information to people with low vision? The trick is to use words carefully in a way that helps people with low vision understand what others see. I'm going to create a new chart for a household budget. I'll go to File, then New. And then I'll search for accessible templates in Excel that are good for a family budget. I select the template I want, then select Create. I'll enter my data. Now I'll select it, and then select Insert. By pausing over a chart type in the Charts gallery, I can see what it's useful for and when to use it. Or I can have Excel recommend a chart. This clustered bar chart looks good, so I'm going to select it. And here's my chart. I want to make sure my chart labels are clear and useful, whether my audience is looking at them or hearing them from a screen reader. I'll start with the title, which is automatically generated by the template and needs to be updated. I'll select the title and type a new, descriptive title for my chart. Next, I'll check the data labels. The labels on the left are okay, but the labels on the bottom are pushed together. To respace the labels, I select the axis, go to Format, and select Format Selection. I'll separate the numbers by 150 and leave off the $sign. Now I'll add data labels. I'll select the chart and then select Chart Elements. I'll select Axis Titles to add titles on the horizontal and vertical axes. I'll select each placeholder and replace it with a title that clearly describes the data in each axis. I also want to add data labels to show the exact dollar amounts for each row of expenses. To do that, I'll select the chart again, select Chart Elements, and then Data Labels. And here are the new labels on the chart. The most important thing for any text is that it's legible. Avoid light-colored text, italics, and font sizes smaller than 12 points. Finally, I'll add alt text. Every image, chart, and object needs alt text so that anyone who can't see them can still understand what they represent. I'll select the chart, go to Format, and select Format Selection to open the Format Chart Area pane. Then I'll select Size and Properties. For alt text, I'll add a description. In the description, I want to convey the important ideas in the image. In this example, rent and groceries are the big-ticket items, so I want to be sure they're called out. After adding these details, this chart communicates better visually and is more accessible for someone with low vision. For more on accessibility, go to aka.ms/office accessibility.